if your hatch ever breaks on the QX60, like it no longer works or it's broken, as you can see this one is. Well, first make sure you get the top part. You just need the top part. And then the next thing is you would unscrew all 4 bolts, which are, check them out. There we go. And then you would be taken apart easily like this. So you can see it's the bottom right here. That's the top, and that's the one we need to replace. It just pops out. And you take the new part, which is the good one, and then you simply just pop it in, and then lock it in with the bottom, and then you're good to go.